Just about finished with the initial build on the box, the electrical box behind the LP containers. These cylinders, I don't remember what they are, 30 pounds. Anyway, I had this box, painted it, and just finished putting in the 4 batteries. There's 3 on the bottom, and they fit tight across the bottom. And then I've got 3 inches of gap, and then that piece of 1/4 inch plywood with the holes drilled, just for air circulation. A little ventilation. We'll see how well it heats or dissipates heat. Solar controller for charging, and then I put those studs in there to connect everything to visibly on the surface, and the batteries themselves are connected on the bottom. All the joints are soldered. So I haven't taped these tops off. I just wanted to get them connected. I'll come back and tape those because they're accessible. And I dropped this after I got it in. I realized that space might be just what was needed for that little inverter. So I went ahead, and it's just a 12 volt DC-AC, puts out 120 volts, and it says 750 volt amp. I think it's going to take, I think it'll pull 1,000 watts, I guess. 40 amp circuit, no remote, so that's jumpered. On off switch, and it should work. Haven't tested it yet, but no time like the present. I've been wanting to clean out that sawdust that I left, so let's just take a shot vac. Plug it in, turn it on. Look at that. We have air. So we do in fact have remote power, and I have not charged those batteries. Gosh, it's been a couple months ago, 3 months ago. Good thing for the hole. It's all clean. Now let's feel the cables down here. No heat. It's all wired parallel. So all 4 batteries are in parallel. There's no heat buildup on any of the terminals at all. Ooh, there is there. Yeah, that one. That's drawing some heat. Okay, so that cord powering that. Yeah, that kicks off some heat. That needs an upgrade on the wire. That wire's not nearly adequate. Take an old jumper cable. Build some new leads for this. That needs to be twice the wire that is, and shorter, maybe a foot shorter. That would still work, so take 18 inches off of that. I think a 3-foot piece. Gosh, I think I may have one lying here. That's why we call this trash can tools. Anyway, test was adequate. I now see where the shortage is. Shortage is in that wire there. That's warm. This one's cool. No heat buildup. Just on those lugs right there. So do have to be careful transferring something that heats up, and that's what happened. Is these cheap jumpers heated up. I could barely touch it. Still warm, real warm. Always look for the lightest point for failure. It's always there. There it is, right there. That heated up the lugs, heated up the wire. If you're going to connect that, you should probably connect that with a flat, solid connection and screw it tight so it transfers energy efficiently to build a lead with round lugs. I'll let you know how it works once we get the solar connected.